It happened during a visit to my aunt. She's 78, still sharp as ever. But I noticed something different this time. Her living room was filled with unopened mail, including what looked like medical bills. When I asked gently, she sighed and said, "I didn't expect to need help so soon, and I sure didn't plan for it." That moment stuck with me, because like many of us, she had always assumed she'd be fine, until she wasn't. And that's where this conversation about long-term care insurance really begins. By the time we reach our 60s, we start thinking about legacy, independence, and stability. But here's the reality. Nearly 70% of adults over 65 will need some form of long-term care, whether it's in-home assistance, nursing care, or support with everyday tasks like dressing or bathing. And guess what? Medicare doesn't cover most of it. Long-term care insurance is designed for this gap. But is it worth the price? Let's unpack this with real context, not just policies and premiums. So what does it cover? Help with daily activities, bathing, dressing, eating, in-home care or assisted living facilities, nursing homes or adult daycare services. These costs can range from $4,000 to $10,000 a month, depending on where you live. If you don't have coverage or savings, it's easy to see how this could drain your retirement funds fast. Now here's the real question. Is it worth it for you? It might be worth it if you're in your early 60s and still healthy. Premiums are lower. You don't have a large savings cushion. You want to protect your family from financial or caregiving burdens. It might not be worth it if you have significant assets and can self-fund care. Your health history suggests you won't qualify easily. You waited too long and premiums are sky high. If you're considering a policy, keep these in mind. Start early. Premiums rise sharply after 65. Look for hybrid policies. These combine life insurance with long-term care and return value even if unused. Understand the elimination period. That's how long you must pay out of pocket before benefits kick in. Talk to a fiduciary financial planner, not someone selling you a product, but someone offering honest advice based on your situation. Here's what I learned from watching my aunt's journey. Independence isn't just about walking without help. It's about being prepared enough that you can choose how you age, with dignity, not panic. No one likes talking about needing help, but needing it without a plan? That's far worse. Long-term care insurance isn't for everyone, but thinking about how you'll be cared for is something everyone should do. Whether you buy a policy, set aside savings, or talk to your family, the point is to plan, not out of fear, but out of self-respect. If this video gave you something to think about, share it with a loved one, because the best care plan starts with a real conversation. Drop a comment below. What does peace of mind look like for you as you age? And don't forget to subscribe for more real, grounded talk on life after 60.